Welcome back to the Visual SEO Studio tutorials. In this video, I will show you the usage of the folder view. In the video tutorials about crawling a website, and the crawl view, we saw how Visual SEO Studio shows the visited pages in a tree structure. Also, the folder view uses a tree structure, this time, to visualize the logical structure of the directories where the website contents are. The root address, usually the home page, is shown at the top of the hierarchy along with pages in the same folder level, and the first level folders, and so on. You can collapse or expand the whole tree, or expand it only to the desired depth level. The tree view is completed with a few columns with the most important metadata, such as title, meta description, status code, and, optionally, the exploration progressive number. By clicking on the tree structure nodes, you will select the related page, and will be able to see its details in the panels at the right and at the bottom. When the selected node is related to a folder, in the right panel, Properties, you will see a graph with its content repartition. Clicking with the mouse right button, a context menu will show up, with options specific to the selected resource. The folder view is useful to get an idea of the website content's logical organization. Folders are part of the URL, and are taken into account by search engines to determine the page context. Well, that's all for now. Be sure to check out our other tutorials, and thanks for watching.